Hello, everybody. Our first card is remain positive, the abundant universe will provide. And that is so true. There is magic in the air, so chill out and expect the unexpected. It's very unlikely to happen for you if you don't stay alert and think on your feet. Although you think the things are coming to you very slowly, things are happening very quickly. Within the next few weeks, we'll be in a situation where all our experiences from the past will help us to rid ourselves from the stress of the chaos that is happening around us. In the past, we did embrace the things that came our way, but we weren't assertive enough. Now we're in a situation where we're allowing things to fall away, and we're ready to move into a positive new future. Communicate clearly with your angels. We all have our own wants and needs, and trust your intuition that you will be led to the on the path that is right for you. In the near future, the groundhog spirit says it's time to let go, and the angel says yes. Let go and allow good news to come into your life. You We have to trust and with all our heart, and that is full-time faith. That I promise you, that is what we all need. There is always enough. Even though we were told in the past there's not enough, there is always enough. The universe has always provided for everyone and everything. Things are coming in swiftly. In the near future, we're going to have peace and harmony, even though we are tired of the battles we have been through. Look for signs, because now is our lucky time, and carry on with what you're doing. Don't give up. Things are going to pay off. There is peaceful resolutions, like I told you this morning. The chaos comes from resistance. Make your dreams come true. Acknowledge the past, let it go, and move forward into your peace and love. Thank you very much.